This video is about African gray parrots. These are wild African gray parrots, as you can see. What else would there be? African gray parrots are medium-sized parrots, about 9 to 14 inches tall, and they can live up to 75 years. They're native to western and central African rainforests. They are best known for their amazing speaking abilities. And while they alone are a type of parrot, they too are divided into two types of gray parrots: the Congo and the Timneh. This is the Congo and the Timneh. You can tell the difference by looking at the tail color, size, beak color, and body color, and other visual differences. Most of these. The tail color on Congos is bright red, but Timneys have a brownish tail. As you can see here, bright red, brown. Timneys are slightly smaller than Congos. They're 9 to 11 inches tall, but Congos are 12 to 14 inches tall. Timneys have a brown beak, but Congos have a black beak. As you can see here, and here, the blacker one. Timneys are usually darker than Congos. You see that he's black. Here he's gray-white, almost closer to white. Wild African gray parrots like to eat nuts, flowers, fruits, seeds, stems, leaves, roots, and soil. Soil eating is known as geography. It has a lot of minerals, especially in Cameroon. Pet African rays also like most of the food, especially nuts and fruits. My pet African ray eating an apple. Messy, as you can see. These are some African gray parrots in flight in the wild. Whoa, if they want to eat, come down or come back to their tree to sleep or to eat, whatever. This is them flying. They tuck their legs in, as you can see here and here, so they can African gray parrots can be taught to speak. They're very smart. They can mimic doorbells at random times of the day, or they can say that they want water when they're really thirsty, so they know what they mean. Alex was one of the smartest birds on Earth, one of the smartest animals also. His vocabulary contained over 150 words. He could count and calculate up to the number 8, which is actually pretty good for a parrot, and he could identify shape, color, and material of various objects shown to him. And he could also feel and act like a human, be bored, angry. And a fact is, Irene Pepperberg, the woman who taught Alex, named him an acronym that stands for Avian Language Experiment. Avian stands for birds, or related to birds. That's it.